Welcome back, guys. Today, we're bringing you some cozy kitchen essentials from Temu to help create a warm and welcoming February. From comforting cooking tools to must-have gadgets that make your kitchen a cozy retreat, these finds are perfect for embracing the season. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorites. This portable electric citrus juicer is perfect for making fresh juice anywhere. It's USB rechargeable, so you can easily power it up without worrying about cords. The high-yield centrifugal extractor quickly gets juice from your fruits, while the included cleaning brush makes cleanup a breeze. Made from durable ABS material, it's built to last. This is an electric hot pot that comes with dual power settings to meet different cooking needs. You can switch between 200 watts for simmering soups, porridge, or boiling eggs, and 600 watts for quicker tasks like cooking noodles or dumplings. Its compact design makes it great for travel, office use, or dorm rooms, allowing for easy meal prep on the go. These fridge organizers are perfect for keeping your produce and other items neatly stored. The stackable design helps save space, so you can make the most of your fridge. Each bin comes with a lid to keep everything fresh and protected. Made from BPA-free material, they are safe for storing food. These clear containers make it easy to see what you have, making organizing and finding items a lot easier. This is an electric smokeless indoor grill designed for convenient and delicious grilling right at home. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cooking and cleanup, making it a breeze to enjoy your favorite meals. The portable design and adjustable temperature control let you customize your grilling experience for a BBQ. With 1500 watts of power, it heats up quickly, while being dishwasher safe simplifies post-cooking maintenance. This is a portable electric water bottle pump that makes drinking water effortless. It's USB rechargeable, so you don't need to worry about batteries, and it's compact enough to carry anywhere. The automatic dispenser is simple to use, providing a quick and convenient way to get water from large bottles. It's easy to clean, ensuring hygiene with minimal effort. This mason jar pitcher holds 64 ounces of liquid and has a pour spout for easy serving. The wide mouth makes it simple to fill and clean. Its double leak-proof design ensures no spills while storing drinks in the fridge. Whether you're making iced tea or storing breast milk, it keeps liquids fresh and organized. If you're looking to add a fun twist to your meals, this manual vegetable spiralizer is the tool for you. It makes zucchini noodles, potato slices, and even grates fruits, all with ease. Perfect for healthy meals or creative snacks, it's a simple way to turn everyday veggies into something exciting in the kitchen. This is a stainless steel deep fryer pot designed for versatile cooking on both gas and electromagnetic stoves. It features an accurate thermometer, allowing you to monitor your oil temperature for great frying results. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a reliable kitchen essential. Want a way to keep your kitchen sink organized? This 3-in-1 dish soap dispenser and sponge holder helps you store your soap, sponges, and scrubbers all in one place. Made of stainless steel, it's durable and easy to clean. The removable water leakage tray keeps the area tidy by catching any excess water, making it a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen sink. This is a stovetop burner protector that helps keep your stove clean and free from oil spills and messes. The black reusable liners are Teflon coated, making it easy to wipe off grease, burnt food, and spills. They're designed to fit around your gas burners and can be adjusted for a perfect fit. These protectors provide a safer cooking environment and can withstand heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit.